Hi, my amazing planner friends. It's Jess from My Magical Planner, and today I have my Sterling Ink subscription to open with you guys. Now, this came on the 6th, so I'm a couple days late getting it open, but I'm so excited. Now, this is the December subscription, so you'll get billed for this like mid-December, and then it ships out the very first week of that following month. And then what's inside is everything that you need for the coming month. So billed in December, ships in January, and then it'll have everything for February inside here. Now, a couple other details. It's a $35 a month subscription, and the paper that I get is her clear paper. I believe is what she calls it. Hold on. Yeah, her clear matte, which is like a washi paper, is very, very thin and adds essentially no bulk at all to your planning pages, which is amazing for my Hobonichi, and I just love it. So with all of that being said, let's go ahead and open this up. I'm super excited. Now, I was on her PR team. I think our term has ended in January, so I'm not sure if my PR code still works or not, but you can go ahead and try just 20 for 20% off of things in her normal shop, not the subscriptions, but the other things. Oh, look at how pretty it is this month. And she always wraps it in tissue paper. It just has this really nice feel when you get it. I love the idea of taking this off with undo and being able to reuse it. I just think that's amazing. I'm gonna just rip around it right now. But this kind of gives you a preview into what you're going to be looking forward to inside the kit itself. I love the blue tones. And super, it's like that blue purple. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Okay, she has recently changed up her format for this, so it is a little bit different than it was last year. I think this is on combination with her new planner, which I think she just did another pre-sale for. I have not ordered one because I do have my Hobonichi cousin, but it is about the same size. It's just more of a blank slate for people. So in this, I get lots of stickers for the planner, as well as some amazing sheets of vellum, which I'm working on incorporating into my planner this year. So I'm going to start with the vellum because I think that's really awesome. Also, I just have to share with you, so the last couple of months, my order and the mail have not gone well. And so this month when it arrived, there's this really big sticker on the front that says, "Please don't bend." And it got here in really good shape. So I'm hoping that actually like did something, or maybe it's just for over the holiday rush. I don't know, but it was funny to me. All right, let's go ahead and take this out. So mostly what's in here is my vellum, but there are a couple of stickers. Move the stickers to the side, and we'll do the vellum first. So first of all, we get a smaller sheet of vellum. This is our February calendar. These work really well, and I haven't done it for January. But if you go to the back of your planner, you can use it wherever, you know. But so this is what I did for January because I was still getting into the groove of things. But if we go to February, this is like the perfect size to kind of tip in. I think that's what they call it. When you like tape it in. I did that last year with them. They were a little bit smaller, but this fits so perfectly. And you can even just kind of use some washi tape and add it as an additional page, which is what I'm thinking about going back and doing for January because they're so, so pretty. So that's your first page. Then we get these full-size sheets of vellum, and there's always two designs. They're similar, but not the same. So we have one with just the flowers, which these look so pretty. I love the flowers. You can also just cut out individual items and use them in your planner. These work really great for like if you're doing like a journaling type planning. So I love the texture she has on here. So that's the vellum pages. And then in that big pocket as well, we get all of our day stickers. And I love that each one is kind of individual. So you see that like these are all my Thursdays and you get a whole month of them, but they're not all the same. So it has a lot of variety in it. And the cut is really beautiful as well. So I'm just going to lift one up a little bit for you so you can kind of see. You can also kind of see how thin this paper is, which is both a blessing and a curse because you have to be very careful when you're using it, but it blends in seamlessly with your paper on your page. So there are those. And then in addition to those, you also have these kind of square cut ones that are just like the day of the week or the month and day, which again work really great for like journaling. I think it's for her planner because hers does not have labeling of in the back on, you know, what day it is and stuff like that. And so it makes it really nice for those. I don't tend to use this page very much, at least so far. It could, you know, start using it more once I figure out a better way to use it. Right, I'm going to use this white background to go through the rest of these stickers. Now with her old format, I had done a price breakdown. I don't have that currently because she just changed it and I've just been I was really sick and my husband just had surgery, so it just hasn't worked out. But oh my goodness, look at how gorgeous this is. Now this is one of those small changes, is she changed the paper that these stickers come on and I love it so much more. This is so pretty. This would be great on like the front of a planner or something. And then we get our tabs for the month, which I put in January's tabs. I'm loving the design of her tabs. So I'm using them on my weeklies at the front. So I have it on the side here. And then I'm also using it as my tab for monthly pages on here. And that has gone at the top. So, but you get 4 of them in here, which is really nice. So we have that. Maybe I'll set them to the side here once we look at them. Then we have this kind of sampler one, which is really pretty. So you have 2 bigger florals here at the bottom. You have kind of one of these like border ones. You have some clip art here. It's just really pretty. And then you get your February. These are more block style than she did last year, but I really love them. Let me show you what January ended up looking like in my monthly here. So this is that script on the side here, and you just add in a little bit of floral here and there. Yes, this is changing. I need to update this a little bit better, but I think most stuff is in here. That's why I used pencil this month, because I'm changing up some things, but love this one. Then we get our monthly sticker that you can kind of put in the corner and everything. And then we have, this is actually her business card. I tend to use these as bookmarks. I think you could tape them down into there if you're not worried about bulk or anything, because they are in a really thick cardstock. But I just think they're really pretty. Sometimes I just put them on my desk because they're pretty. Then we have our larger clip art here. So we have like some layering of different, I think those are fabrics with flowers on top. And then we have the embroidery with the flowers. We have a shirt with some thread and the flowers. And then it does have that sparkle from, it has just a smattering of silver foil on it, which is really pretty as well. And then we have another piece of clip art over here. Then we hit some really large florals, which are gorgeous. Love these huge flowers. They're going to be amazing. Then we have kind of some smaller florals and some trims and that kind of thing. I don't remember what she called this page, like borders or something. So you have these, they have a straight line on one side. This one in the middle actually has a line, like it's two different stickers. So you have a sticker here and a sticker there. I'm loving this little border that she has in here this month. I just think that's elegant and absolutely gorgeous. Then we have our smaller deco. So a lot of times there will be kind of a almost sewing and that kind of vibe to a lot of our kits. I love this really light pink we're getting this month, as well as this violet color. We also do get date dots, and these are square cuts. They're really easy to line up, and they're just nice, simple dates. Love those. And then we get 2 pages that are identical. These are our quote washi strips. So this one is more of a square cut here in more your traditional washi. And then these are just bits of floral that you can string together to make a longer washi strip. Or I think that was where I got these pieces from the January kit. So it just kind of, it gives you more versatility, I think. And this is that longer strip from January. I did rip it off a little bit here and then add some up there to kind of balance it a little bit. But other than that, it's the same type of thing. And then we have, oh, look at this room down here. I love when she does these kind of larger scenes because they're really fun to work with. And then we have some larger clusters to also work with this month. So that's everything that was in the kit this month. Love, love, love the colors and the feel of it. I can't wait to start planning February with this. So anyhow, that's all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And until next time, I'll see you real soon.